So today we're going to talk a little bit about tooth grinding, or another word for it, the medical term is bruxism. This is one of the most common things I get asked about, whether it's my child grinds their teeth or my dentist says I grind my teeth. How can you help? What can we do? Should I wear a night guard? Should I wear a retainer? Is a retainer a mouth guard? Lots and lots of questions in regards to this subject. So many people grind their teeth because of stress or poor sleep. There's a lot of external factors that can be associated with it as well, but most oftentimes everybody experiences it. It's a very complicated system where we have nerves from our teeth that also radiate and control all these different mechanisms where we can have pain in our neck, pain in our head, and it can all be related to something as simple as grinding our teeth at night. That really depends on how much of the damage has already occurred. So let's say there isn't any damage and we just have those symptoms of soreness in the morning, and our dentist has said maybe we should check this out. So we would treat that patient much differently than somebody who's had the damage. So they might have a conservative mouth guard. If you have more severe grinding, you might grind through that little thin one, so you need a thicker custom-built acrylic one. In my practice, I recommend basically everyone would be better off if you slept with something between your teeth.